So in case you want to make numbering on the number like serial number, normally what you could do is you go here, you click 1, enter 2, enter 3, enter 4, enter 5, enter 6. So this is what you're supposed to be doing. Now this is first way, but this is going to take forever. The second method you can do is press 1 and press enter, and then 2 and press enter, and then go down this way and select all of them to here. Select here and 2 and drag from here down to where you're supposed to select, and that is actually going to number it 1 to 25. Now the third method you can do is here. Once you put 1, now move your cursor down to where to change to black, double click on it. Now it's going to bring in this, and then you go here and click on flash fill, and that's going to number it accordingly. Now the thing you could also do is to click here and then click here, then you press, when you select this, you press alternate, that is alt on your keyboard, alternate EIS, alternate alt EIS. Then when you come down here, you click on column. This is row, this is, what this column is straight. Then you can say put here, and you're interested in 25, and click this, stop at 25, and it's going to number it straight. So this is the first way you can get that, pressing any place you are. Like, let me turn it back, click here the way you want to start. I press alternate and press S. So that is going to give you this. Click on this, put it that you want to stop at 25, and then click OK, and that's going to give you in row. But when it is column, do the same thing, alternate EIS, and this comes and go to column, select column until it stop at 25. So automatically, once you press OK, that's going to number it serially for you. So this is where I'm going to talk to you about how you can do a sequence numbering. That's what a sequence numbering is better like this. So I think this is well understood. This, you can have given you different examples on how you're going to do it. So I'm definitely going to stop on this, and let's proceed to another one.